Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, or we're all here in beautiful Atlantic City, virtually at least, to do part 3, the final part of the holiday decorations in Atlantic City. Part 1 was this past Monday, and I showed you guys what the Tropicana, Caesars, Bally's, and Claridge did for the holidays. And then part 2 was just a couple days ago, I believe it was a Wednesday. We went through the Resorts Hotel and Casino, as well as Hard Rock, Showboat, and Ocean. And a lot of you guys have already left your opinions on which ones you like so far. But today's the final one, so if you want to pick a final winner after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm going to go through all the comments on all 3 parts and put in my 2 cents too before I announce which is the winner, probably sometime next week in the community room. Today's video is pretty much going to focus on the marina side of Atlantic City. We're going to go through the Borgata, Harrah's, and Golden Nugget, and finally the Irish Pub. I don't know if I'm doing them in that order or not, but Irish Pub is thrown in with the marina side hotels and casinos because, well, there was just no place in parts 1 or 2 for it. So we're going to go through all 4 of those venues, and again, that'll be the end of this entire series, and hopefully you'll leave a comment which ones you liked, which ones you didn't like, why you liked them, why you didn't like them, so on and so forth. I'm all prepared. I have got my hot cocoa. And gonna start editing this video, and I believe I am gonna start with the Borgata. So let's take a look at the Borgata and see what they've done for the holidays, shall we?
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Next on the marina side, we have the Golden Nugget, and it really is the marina side because the Golden Nugget, of course, has that marina with the deck bar, one of my favorite hangouts in Atlantic City, at least during the summertime. Anyway, let's go inside the Golden Nugget and see what's going on there as far as holiday decorations. I do have to say, the Golden Nugget gets a head start on Christmas because those red and gold globes hanging from the ceiling are there all year round, and they do look Christmassy, so they got a little head start going on here. Alrighty, we might as well keep it all at the marina and do Harrah's next, and then we'll do the Irish pub after Harrah's as the last contestant, if you will, on the Atlantic City holiday decorations. Let's go inside Harrah's and see what it looks like.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting.
Speaking of the New York store, I sold quite a few mugs, more than anything else on the store the past 2 or 3 weeks. I guess maybe for Christmas gifts, I'm not sure, but I want to thank everyone who has made purchases recently at the New York store, or in the past. And hopefully you'll check it out. There's a link in the description below, like I said. As a matter of fact, someone bought 6 of these in different colors today, and it doesn't give me names or anything like that, names or addresses. It just tells me what's sold, so I appreciate all your patronage. Thanks, guys. And while I'm thanking people, I want to thank all the hotels, casinos, and businesses that pretty much allowed me to shoot. I'm sure they saw me there with my camera. They see everything in those casinos. And they pretty much let me go about my own business, and I appreciate that. So thanks to the businesses, the hotels and casinos, for letting me shoot this 3-part series. I had a great time, and I hope you guys, the viewers, had a great time watching them. And last but certainly not least, the Irish Pub, which is just a block off the boardwalk. Hopefully, if you haven't visited this place, you will shortly. They do go all out every year for the holidays. This is the last contestant, if you will, on the Holiday in Atlantic City series here. Leave a vote if you've seen all 3 parts, and let me know which one you like the most. And I will collect those comments and add in my 2 cents, and probably leave the winner. Actually, I'll leave it in a video coming up, Christmas in Smithville. So that's what I'll do. I'll announce the winner in the Christmas in Smithville video. In any event, you guys have a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed this 3-part series. Let's check out the Irish Pub.
We're getting a bunch of we're sending
Why didn't you just take the tram? I said,
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.